Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I've got these two, what I think's two, I can't really tell if they're joined under the soil or not, but I'll find out here in a minute. But I think it's two cuttings that I'm going to break apart and get out of this and put them in a little bit bigger container, put them in their own container just to let them continue to grow. Maybe do some wiring to shape one of them or both of them. Just because I don't, like I said in some of my other videos, I don't like to plant them in the same container, but sometimes due to space or the containers that I have available when I have cuttings, sometimes they end up in the same one because I don't like dealing with the roots later and trying to break them apart. So today we're just going to break them apart in containers. We'll just put this down to catch the soil. So we'll dump them out. And it does look like it's two. The roots are a little bit tangled. See if we can get those apart without destroying too many of them. This one didn't grow too many, but I think it'll still be fine. This one's got a nice batch of roots on it, so we're in good shape. It's got some drainage screen. Some screen there, I'll get rid of that. All right, so we'll set that one aside. Get this soil out of the way. We'll go ahead and pot this guy up first. Getting some of my soil here, and this is my akadama and lava mix. Get that planted, and I'll probably plant it a little deep, just to hold up the weight of the cutting. So it's a little top heavy. I might even grab a rock or something to kind of prop that up. I think first we'll just go ahead and trim some of these up, just to take off some of the weight off the top. I think that helped. So I don't think we'll do any more work to that one. Just let that continue to grow as is. And this next one, we might just taking some of these little nubs off that where their branches were. Trying to think about styling on this tree, what I could do with it. It could be a cascade. That branch is a little long though. Almost like it going this way better. mean, it's got a decent shape to it. I could add a little wire, add some more movement to it, and almost turn it into a literati style. Get rid of this branch over here. That's one option. Just trying to look at it from all sides to see what makes sense here. For some reason, I'm liking that curving and twisting motion. Go get rid of this branch here for now. You can almost have it to where it's leaning sideways like this. Develop some pads down here and then some more on top. Or continue on that literati path. Let's see, I think I'll just get some wire on there and kind of see what happens. Something speaks to me. I don't really have anything to anchor it to, so I'm just gonna hold on to it. I could anchor it here, but I'm not sure that I'm gonna keep that branch, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start wrapping around. Get it wrapped enough, it'll kind of anchor itself. Okay, so I don't think, if I go with the literati styling, I'm not going to need this piece down here, so let's see what that looks like without it. I don't really have one like that yet in a literati style in one of my portulacarias, so I'm thinking I might go ahead and try that. just to have something different. So I think we're going to go ahead and get rid of this branch, and that'll be a new cutting. Put that in the old propagation station. That'll turn into something. Let's go ahead and continue this wire up top here. See if we can add some movement to this branch. I can maybe bend this one back this way. I think we'll, not sure what we're going to do for a front or anything yet, but I think anything might work, even something like that. Let's go ahead and take some of these back just to shorten up the inner nodes, get the growth coming back in a lot tighter. Let those grow back out. And kind of see where that goes. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's a nice little tree. I like the movement in the trunk. This is growing down. We don't think I need that. Yeah. Get some soil in there. Got it filled up about halfway. Plant it a little bit deeper like I did the other one, just due to the weight on top. It's going to be a little top heavy, so yeah. It's kind of a cool little tree. Could even bend this down some, but I don't want to break it. Yeah. Go ahead and take that back. Take these back down here. Take this one back. Just kind of grow a whole new top. that'll work. Just adding a little bit more movement in it. So from the front, I think this, I kind of like this as the front. Bend this up so it's not so horizontal. A little movement in it. I think we'll use that as the front for now. And then even from the sides, it's got some movement. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I think we'll leave it like that for today, and we'll see how that thing develops. So I think that'll do it for today's video. Appreciate you watching, and we will see you in the next one.